Happy Women's Day. We're very glad that all of you panelists, you guys agreed, and we're all here and we're going to discuss some powerful yet impact making topics for women. My first question to you would be, in your experiences, what psychological challenges do young women face that the previous generations may not have faced very prominently?
I personally feel, that this generation is facing, very different psychological or emotional problems compared to the earlier generation. The impact of social media.
So, ma'am, over the years in your practice, have you seen any improvement in awareness about women's legal rights?
I think that legal awareness is very much actually nowadays because we have social media, then we have TV and all whatever. Then there is NGOs are there, put lectures on that legal awareness in slum area, in everywhere.
So, ma'am, I think women around us a lot, people in their 40s, now even 35s, they start with perimenopausal stage and then they go to the menopausal stage, and there's a whole different set of problems that comes with it. Regarding that, so they experience a lot of physical changes during menopause. So, what do you think? Why do they struggle with a lot of that they're not able to lose weight in their perimenopausal or their menopausal age?
Women go through a lot of stages. There is, at every stage, there is a hormonal change in their body. And if you have not been able to resolve them, or sometimes when you see a woman who is obese, it may not be the fat. When you go deeper into her condition, you figure out that there is a lot of stress, or that you talk about that neuroscience where people are just into that flight or fight mode.
What are some of the common reasons relationships begin to break down? Like, what are those early signs when you know it's going to go downhill?
So, like you asked about what are the common reasons, so I would say it's lack of effective communication. Or nowadays, people are not communicating because there are a lot of social media impact. If something happens, though the algorithm is so strong that people just relate towards it, and then they start applying it, and they won't talk in person with each other. The emotional needs are unmet.
So probably I'm a call away whenever you want.
That's really a great initiative.
Definitely. Actually, We Learn also has the community groups that
True,
like
true,
Nishan
yes.
mentioned. And it's very important to have a safe space and express whatever the feelings are.